Hello guys, Merry Christmas, and I will show you my Christmas present. So the first thing is a shade, pink shade. It's cool. Yeah, it's really cool. Next one, cute little bunny that lights up. And the office is black. So that's the little kitchen. Next is a fuzzy bear. Is the pink bear. Yeah, it's a pink bear. Pink bear! Next is a Bible, and then skin style fashion angel. So I'm gonna review it all next week. Next, I have notebooks and papers. Next is clip, also clip. I like gloss. So this is Princess Lip Gloss towel, a hand towel, a pencil. This is a Minecraft pencil. It is a Minecraft pencil. And a diary. So I got this white towel. I got three towels, white towels, pink towels. This fuzzy thingy, Mickey Mouse. Next, what I got is a Gelarti. So yeah, Gelarti and Barbie pencil. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone!